truthfulness in longing. This is the condition of the true servants of Allah, the Exalted, as they desire nothing except their Lord. This inspires them to strive in His sincere obedience by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, knowing that this will not be achieved by someone who is disobedient to Allah, the Exalted. The Muslim who longs for Allah, the Exalted, desires to leave this world and reach the hereafter. These people often prefer solitude and being alone than the company of people. They are balanced between fear and hope. Fear of disobeying their Lord and therefore being barred from Him and His proximity. Their hope inspires them to sincerely repent from their mistakes and strive in His obedience, knowing He is the most forgiving and most merciful. To conclude, Muslims should strive to gain and act on the invaluable knowledge found in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, so that they can reach the station of truth in the presence of an omnipotent King. Chapter 54 Al-Qiyamah, verse 55.
In a seat of truth near a sovereign, perfect in ability.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.